Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can scan a document, for example a piece of paper with a lot of text, over to your iPhone using your iPhone camera. So if you want to scan a document on iPhone, then what you need to do is you actually need to head over to the Notes app. So just head over to the Notes app, and once you've done that, what you need to do is create a new note, and you need to basically start typing as if you want to type, just like this. And once you basically clicked and that keyboard pops up, what you will simply find right here is this camera icon where you can then click on. And what you then need to do is click on Scan Documents. Once you've done that, you want to actually zoom out till the entire piece of paper is basically on your screen, just like I am doing. And then you can view the preview if it has completely scanned your piece of paper. If it did, what you can simply do is click on Done at the top left. And what you then can do is click on Save right here. Once you've done that, it's going to load a few seconds, and then you've noticed that you've already scanned that document to your iPhone Notes. Now what you can do is you can put it in a Word document, you can print this out. It doesn't really matter what you do with it, because basically you have now scanned a document. And that's all you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.